What you said daddy is?
He's a stupid woman, and he's a stupid girl.
I thought he was a stupid ass.
He's a stupid girl, and then he's a stupid ass. And then he's a stupid woman.
What he did to you?
He smacked me.
And what you said to him?
I said, dumbass girl. And then I said, shut up. And then I said, dumbass woman.
He's a dumbass woman.
Yeah, and he's a real stupid ass.
He's a real stupid ass?
Yes.
A real one?
Yes.
And how old are you?
3.
You're 3 years old?
Yeah.
And you called your father a stupid ass?
Yeah.
No, you said he's a real stupid ass. Right? Come here.
Yes, I did.
What did you say now?
I say stupid ass.
Stop moving. Say it.
I say stupid woman.
A stupid woman, and what else?
And shut up.
And shut up.
Yeah.
And what else?
And I called him a real stupid woman. You
Come here, Shemaya. Shemaya, don't hit her. You mad that she cursed you out? You shouldn't have hit her.
I didn't touch her.
Yes, you did. I see you hit her in the kitchen. Yeah, you on Candy Cameron. What the fuck you did?
Listen,
Call him a bitch back.
When you talk to me, you understand me? You gonna watch your
That's why
goddamn
she
mouth when
cursing
you
you
talk to me,
out.
all right? Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth.
Get off of her. Get off of her, stupid. Don't cry. Curse him out. Fuck that. Get up. Get up. Curse him out.